Shout out to Kenneth Hornada and family. Speed up your electric fan. Thank you. Hello ka-senior, it's Yubs again. For today's vlog, we will repair this MitsuTech again. Model MDF-16, 50 watts. Again, missing knuckle shaft. Missing knuckle shaft. That's why, bow. No. Knuckle shaft missing. We will check from my scrap. Still okay, shafting, only slight sanding, only cleaning and sanding of this shafting. We will check this capacitor, 1.5 microfarads, 400 volts AC rating, 0.68 microfarads. We will replace. I have here knuckle shaft from my scrap. We will use this one for this missing knuckle shaft. So don't throw your scrap. Someday you can use your scrap like this. So we will use now here. So it's okay, it fits, same thread, same dia, same size. Okay, we are all ready. stator is cleaned already, and I secure with string and ties, cable ties, and I clean also the shafting. So shafting is ready, all clean. The enclosure, rear and front enclosure, I clean also. We don't replace the bushing. Bushing is still original here. We don't replace. Gearbox is still good. Mechanism is still okay. So I clean only. Capacitor 1.5 microfarads, 400 volt AC rating, new. So okay, we will assemble now. Okay, ka-senior, I assembled already, and we will test now before we will assemble the remaining parts. Speed 1. Speed 2. Speed 3. So we will assemble now the remaining parts. I provide here additional hole to secure this rear grill guard. Now it is safe. Our rear grill guard is safe because of this. Okay, ka-senior, we're done assembling this MitsuTech MDF-16 50 watts. For those who are new in my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and tap notification bell for you to be informed on my next upload videos. Okay, so in this repair, I fixed the missing knuckle shaft. I get it from my scrap. I replaced the capacitor 1.5 microfarads, 400 volts AC rating. We clean the stator motor and I secure with cable ties and string also. So, and we clean the shafting, sanding, little bit sanding. I put Teflon on the enclosure thread, front enclosure thread. Then I provide additional anchor screw to the rear grill guard, 2 plants and to the enclosure. So now it is safe. And shout out to Kenneth Hornada and family. Spin up your electric fan. Speed 1. Wow. Speed 2. Speed 3. MitsuTech MDF-16 50 watts. Okay, ka-senior, we're done. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day. God bless.